Luke, what are you doing? Oh, oh, oh my God! What have you done? What have you done? Oh, were you happy playing, was you? What you got? A Snicker bar. Brandon, Brandon. Oh, you got 2 nice biscuits, have you? Let me see. Oh, it's not too bad down there. Well, you wanted to share the biscuits, did you? That's very good, isn't it? Brandon, look. What you got? Luke. Look, where you going with that marathon or Snicker? Well, that's what you get when you go to the toilet. Oh. What are you doing? You've made a right mess. Are we going to tidy up now? Luke. Brandon. Oh, we're getting more stuff out, do we? What else are you getting out? Right, I think we better stop the video now. Ta. Can Mummy have that? Ta. Is there anything left in the box?